Zeninbox provides powerful insights into your workspace and mailbox usage, helping you track limits, monitor API activity, and optimize performance. Stay updated on how many workspaces and mailboxes you have connected. This ensures you make the most of your Zeninbox plan while keeping your team organized. Navigate to the Usage section in the left sidebar. View the total workspaces and email mailboxes connected panels. Compare your current usage against the plan limits. Zeninbox provides insights into API calls and webhook deliveries, ensuring smooth integrations and automation. How to monitor API usage. Go to the Usage section. Check the API rate limit to see how many requests you've made. View the total webhook. Sent panel to track webhook delivery. Track how notifications are being sent and ensure optimal storage management for your emails and assets. View the breakdown of notifications sent via email, Teams, and Slack. See the split between inbox emails and assets. Optimize storage to avoid exceeding limits. Zeninbox helps you track API key usage and the number of requests made by different users. View users and endpoints making the most requests. Why usage monitoring matters. Ensures your workspace and mailboxes stay within limits. Helps track API and webhook performance. Provides insights into notifications and storage. Prevents overuse and optimizes system performance. Stay on top of your Zeninbox usage and make informed decisions to enhance productivity.